B.Sc Mathematics 100 level first semester. These are your courses. You have to pass all of them. 24 of 24 means you have to register all of them and pass all of them in order to get your degree award. Here are the fee calculation. We have 2 unit courses that cost 1,000, 2 units and 1 unit are 1,000, 3 units 2,500. The cost of registration, they call it cost registration. The actual fee is meant for the material, the course material, that's the textbook, paying for the textbook. So the course material fee are here and the exam fees are here. If you sum them up, 2,000 for course material for this course plus 1,000 for the exam for the same course will give you 3,000, and that's how all these were gotten. You sum all of them up, you have a grand total of these for course registrations, course and exam registrations, and then add a compulsory fee of 36,000. First compulsory fee is 36,000, but other ones is 18,000. From second semester upwards is 18,000. So here you add them together, you will be paying a total of 73,500. That's your first semester fee. Second semester, the same course, you are expected to register all of these and pass all of them. You may see other courses on your portal though, but these are the ones you have to stick to if you want to earn your certificate smoothly. So you register all of them, pass all of them. The same calculation was done here for the fees, except that the compulsory fee is now 18,000 instead of 36 that you paid in the previous semester. So the fee reduced to 52,000 for second semester 100 level. Okay, then here we have 200 level first semester. These are your courses. You are expected to register all of them, although the portal will not allow you to register more than 24 credit units. So you will have to carry some, or one of them, just one, not some anyway. If you remove one of 3 units, you can register the rest. It will be 24, then you can register the rest. Then take that one to the future semester and register it in future semester. There will be other semesters where you have less than 24 credit units to add any carryovers or outstanding courses or leftover courses. So these are your fees as well, calculated to a sum of 51,500. For a direct entry student, you have to add GST 107, which will cost an extra 3,000. So we go to 200 level second semester, and these are your courses, 21 units. So here you can add and bring up one other course. Any course left behind, you start bringing them from here. Even 300 level, you might see some spaces. Here is 21 out of the total of 24 that the portal allows you to register per semester. So you're supposed to register all and pass all of them. And here is your fee, 44,500 for 200 level second semester. For 300 level first semester, these are your courses. You are expected to register all of them and pass all of them. They are all 3 unit courses, and the fees are just the same thing. And you have a sum of 46,000 as your fee. Then 300 level second semester, these are your courses, and you are expected to pass all of them as well. And your fee is 45,500. Then for 400 level as your final year, 400 level first semester, you have these courses to register all of them. Then you can see 18 units here out of 24. So you have empty or unused 6 units. So you can bring any course left behind, add them here. as part of the carryover to make it 24. Then register all of them. This time try to pass all of them, because it might bring you back to the school after your set might have graduated. You have a total fee of 39,000 here for the first semester. Then your final semester, 400 level, second semester, you have a few courses as well with your project, 15,000. You don't register projects for exam. That's why I removed the fee here. And you have 19 units. You still have empty space for or unused units for any carryover you might need to clear. Add them up. And then you have registered 198. You're expected to pass 190. So there are only a few courses you can fail here, not much. If you are direct entry, you're expected to pass 145 credit units. That's the total credit units required. That's it.